Guys, here are all of the notification devices that Edwards Signaling Technology, for short EST, has made since the 1980s. First of all, we have this thing. This is an EST 892 series of devices, and what that means is these were widely used before the integrity. And I have seen this alarm many times in the past. Because these things were all over my old elementary school. And of course, I know what it sounds like because I heard it millions of times during the drills. This alarm is way in the rear view mirror because we hardly see it anymore these days. I mean, there's very few buildings right now in 2021 that still have this alarm installed. So this alarm is way in the rear view mirror. We hardly see these things anymore. And then this is the pre-integrity. Which is very rare also. Just like this. This thing was installed in the 1990s, but very rare to see in buildings nowadays. And then Here is the regular line of integrity, which is very common in a lot of buildings these days and is installed all over my high school. And then there is the Genesis, which gets installed when the majority of school buildings around here get renovated. If installers still
Where is your new bathing suit?
don't know. Choose to go with EST. And we all remember this image. Bye.